Everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with one of my Dollar Tree sticker series videos. So let's get started. So for this card, I also used this Spellbinders Fashion Oyster adhesive embellishments. It's like little pearls, flatback pearls. And then one of my favorite companies for paper is 49 and Market. So I use paper from this cute little Lilac Mini Collection 6x6 paper pad. And one thing I like about this pad is that it's in the packaging, but it's actually loose. The pages are not adhered together. So kind of makes it easy. So I want to flip through really quick this paper. It's very abstract. I'm not a big giant fan of abstract, but I do like it when 49 and Market uses it in their paper designs. So as soon as I saw this, I thought, oh, I'm going to use this for my Dollar Tree sticker series card. So just kind of going quickly here. I think I used this sheet for the card. And then I also used the cut aparts on this page for the card. And you'll see what I'm referring to when you see the card. There's another of the cut parts. So that's the paper that I use. So now, of course, the star of the show would be the stickers. Which stickers did I use this time? Well, I went with an old favorite, the butterflies. Dollar Tree has a lot of butterfly stickers, so I'm sure you can find some if you want to recreate this card in some way. The butterflies are really pretty. Sometimes when you look at the Dollar Tree stickers, you have to really look at them to see if they're not, especially if they're dimensional, off-centered or not really a good quality. But these butterflies are beautiful, so I wanted to use them in a card to share with you today. And so I did choose 2 butterflies from this collection. So now the card, the star. And here's the card. So it's super cute, little happy spring card with the butterflies bursting through the window there, and then his other one flying around. Here are the cut aparts that I used to add some dimension. And then, of course, the flatback pearls from Spellbinders. And I thought it turned out really cute. I also layered it with some paper from my paper stash from Joann, and it's the basil paper. Super cute little card. I love the way it turned out. I think it'll be okay to mail. It's a little dimensional, but I'm used to paying a little more for my cards whenever I send them, so I have no problem with that. I want to welcome my new subscribers and, of course, send out a shout out to those who have been with me for a while. And I hope you're still enjoying this series. Let me know below if you still enjoy the Dollar Tree sticker series. It's kind of challenging trying to look at the stickers to come up with a different design other than layering some paper and then sticking a sticker on the card. So I try to be a little bit, went outside my little comfort zone this time around and did some layering and using some cutout pieces. So I hope you enjoy the card. Have a great day. Pretty sure I'll talk to you soon. Bye.